Okay, today we're going to try a little trick. I don't know if you can see, but you see where it gets discolored here? It starts to fade. This gray turns to white and it doesn't look new anymore. I bought this stuff that you smear on there, this paste, and that works, but it doesn't last. So I've seen on the internet people use heat to restore it, so I'm going to give that a try. See how that works. Wow, it works. I don't know if you can tell on the video. Put this down for a minute. I don't know if you can tell. It's hard to see. I'll put the camera down and give it another try, and maybe you can tell better. You can tell right there. Yeah, let's get this done. Yeah, can you see the difference? It works. It does. Alright, let's do the whole van. Hopefully I got enough in this to do it. Yep, a little propane heat works a lot better. Got it all done. We'll see how long that lasts.